Okay, good morning guys. We're at the dam. Let's throw out the little pine outdoors. See if we can get in some action. There, I got a fish. What we got? Little bass? Heck yeah. That's a beaut right there. Barely hooked. Just let him go. See if we can get another one. Go with the shallows and move it to the deep. Water's already shallow in the spring. That's very unusual. I got something. What we got? Barely felt a bite. Is that a crappie? Heck yeah. That's a pretty decent crappie. Barely felt a bite after this cold front. Alrighty. Let's let him go. There's some on that shallow out there. That's probably why I'm not feeling anything. I can't even feel a bite. That's how light they're biting. Any little thing you feel, you get one. There's something. What we got here? That's another crappie. Boy, they ain't fighting worth a darn, are they? Here, I brought my net. Catch a big one. I'm catching crappie. Can't hate that. Not a bad little guy. Let him go. Heck, he might have been the same one, about the same size. I just feeling like blah, they ain't really fighting. This cold front went through, it just kind of changed everything. There's a bite. Did I get him? I just feel like I hit a snag. Alright. That's a little guy there. But I'll take him. Thank you for biting my bait. Go back. There's a bite. Let's see if I can get him. What we got here? We got bluegill? Rock bass? Yeah, rock bass. Yeah, I like those babies. Oh, 3 species so far. Throw him back. We may have to move here. A few more throws. There's a hit. I get him? I did get him. They ain't biting. They ain't biting worth a darn. That cold front really changed the bite on them. They're barely hitting it. Look at that guy. Oh, that's a better size one there. I hate to leave. I'm catching guys like this. 8 inches probably. Kind of chunky though. Let's let him back out. Keep my rod tip high because current catches your line. Get a little slack in it. There's one. What we got here? Oh, he's a fighting. Look at that guy. That's a yellow bass. How many species does that make now? 4? Nice. I can get his lip open. Open your lip, boy. Nice yellow bass. Ain't glistening in the sun there. Alright, let's throw him back. There's another bird about hit me. Get out of my way, bird. I cut that one. Chop that one off too. Make a little shorter bait. There's a hit. What we got? What we got out there? Another yellow bass. Is that a rock bass? Oh, rock bass. And there you can see a little what do you call it? Lamprey on him. There he is. I don't like those things. Get out of my way. Hope you can see some of that. I got rid of his lamprey for him, so got a nice red spot back there. Beautiful fish. Throw him back. Put a float on. Let's try it. Current's probably gonna just move it everywhere, but we'll let it drift on down. It's not as bad as I thought. Because it's probably on bottom. It's not very deep out there. Current ain't too bad. It's about right there anyway. Let's see if we can get that float to go down. See if anything will strike it. May not be deep enough, but you never know. Keep me away. Oh, there's one took it. That might be a big crappie too. What we got? Yeah. Guess I can get a float. He wanted that thing. He's about swallowed it. Where's that hook at? Where's my... There we go. I got it out of his mouth. There we go. No, he felt big. Yeah, look, I felt big, so let's throw him back. A lot of minnows are clear. Clear looking minnows when they're in the water, when they're skinny. There's a bite. Let's see what we got. Oh. Yeah, look at him fight. Yeah, buddy. Let's flash the camera. That guy there might be 9 inches. I can get the hook out of him. Alright, let's throw him back. Throw her in there. See if we can get some action. Never really tried float here. Yeah, I see why. I just hit the snag. Damn it. Got it out. There's a bite. What we got? Hey, that ain't bad fish here, boys. Let's get him. That's got to be a smallie. Let's see what we got. Oh, he went under the rock. Get out of there, boy. Oh, that's a pretty good fish. Let's get him up here. Let's get him out of here. I'm not supposed to be up there. Alright. Not a bad one compared to what I've been catching. Look at that boy. Nice smallie. Right on that top lip. Look at that. How fat that female is. Alright, let's get her back out there. That's why I head to the dam. Alright, see you later. See you later, girl. Nice one.